Alright, so I'm recording because this is how my package came. A nice big old hole in the side here. Just kind of curious as to what the rest of this thing looks like. So, right off the bat, I'm not too thrilled with the way this looks. But, alright, we'll see where we go from here. Alright. Probably should have turned the camera in the other direction, but it's not too late for that now. So I open her up. Okay, so it's a box, and inside the box, my DVD-RW drive. And then I got my laptop. The laptop box does look like it's in pretty good shape. The outside of this box, though, I mean, that is ridiculous. I don't know who the hell packed it, how it got shipped that way, but I'm not too thrilled with that. So, I'm going to set this here, and this here, and before I open up anything else, I'm going to pause it and turn the camera.